Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn the domain and range of a binary relation. This topic is related to our exercise 1.3. Let's learn what is domain and what is range. The set of the first elements of all ordered pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation R. And range is the second elements of all the ordered pair in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the range of the relation R, which means that in ordered pair the first element is domain and the second element is range. Let's have some example. If we have a set A is a set of alphabet A, B, C, and set B is a set of alphabets E, F, G, H. First, I have found its Cartesian product, in which I have written all the possible ordered pair. First, take A and pair up it with the element of B, A, E, A, F, A, G, A, H. Similarly, take B and pair up it with the element of B, and then take C and then pair up it with the element of set B. Then in a relation I have taken some order pair. So I have taken AE, this one, BE and CF. Now we have to find the domain and range of the relation. And as you know that the domain is the first element of the ordered pair in the relation. So the domain is A, B and C. And if we talk about the range is the second element. So the second element is E. In second order pair again we have E, so we write E only one time, and F. So the range of relation is E and F. Let's have another example. Here I have written some relations. In relation 1 we have order pair 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. And in relation 2 we have order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Let's find the domain and range of relation 1 and relation 2. In relation 1 the domain is 1. Here the 1 is repeating, so we write it only one time, and 2. Again the 2 is repeating, and 3. And if we talk about range, so the range is 2, 3, 4 and just 2, 3, 4. So the domain is 1 and 2 and the range is 2, 3 and 4. Now if we talk about the relation 2, so in relation 2 the domain is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if we talk about the range is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Domain of range 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Relation 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And range of relation 2 is also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a question number 9 of exercise 3.1. If AB represent element of Z plus means positive integer, such that the set of positive integers, find domain and range of the relation in Z given by. In this question we have given some relation and we have to find the domain and range. The relation 1 is AB such that 2A plus B is equals to 10. Here we have given the order pair AB, which means the element of set A represent A and the element of set B represent by this B. And we have given the order, we have given the equation instead of order pair, and we have to find the domain and range. So we have given in the question that positive integers. So the positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So let's see that A is a domain and B is a range. If we go according to this order pair, so the element A is domain and element B are range. So we have suppose domain A. So we have suppose A is equals to 1, A is equals to 2 and A is equals to 3. We have suppose 3 domain and we have taken these number from the set of the positive integer. You can take any positive integer. I have taken 1, 2 and 3. Now with the help of this domain we have to find the range, which is B. So first we take domain A1, first domain, which is A is equals to 1 and the equation is 2A plus B is equals to 10. So 2 in the place of AA we write 1 plus B is equals to 10. 2 ones are 2 plus B is equals to 10. B is equals to 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. The first range is 8. B is equals to 8. So the first range is B. B represents the range and A represents domain. Let's have second domain. Second domain is A is equals to 2. So we have equation 2A plus B is equals to 10. Now put the value of A. 2 multiplied by 2 plus B is equals to 10. 2 2s are 4 plus B is equals to 10. B is equals to 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. Second range is 6. Third we have 3. So 2A plus B is equals to 10. Now put the value of A. 2, 3 plus B is equals to 10. 2 3s are 6 plus B is equals to 10. B is equals to 10 minus 6. B is equals to 4. Third range is B. So the domain in relation 1 is, which we have supposed in our previous slide, we have supposed domain 1, 2 and 3 and the range is 8, 6 and 4, which we have found. Is that clear? Now let's move forward. In question we have given relation 2. Relation 2 is AB such that A plus B is equals to 8. Again we have given the order pair AB. Again we have given the equation instead of order pair, and with the help of this equation we have to find domain and range. Domain is A and range is B. Again we have positive integers, so we can take any domain, any number from this set. So I have supposed domain A and I have taken 4 domains. A is equals to 4, A is equals to 5, A is equals to 6 and A is equals to 7. Let's find the range with the help of this domain. First we take A is equals to 4. A is equals to 4 and the equation is A plus B is equals to 8. So A is 4 plus B is equals to 8. B is equals to 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. We transpose this 4 to the left hand side and find the value of B. Then second is A is equals to 5. Then again we have equation A plus B is equals to 8. 5 plus B is equals to 8. Then write B and transpose the 5 to the right hand side. B is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. The second range is 3. The first range is 4 and the second range is 3. Then we have taken A is equals to 6. A plus B is equals to 8. 6 plus B is equals to 8. B is equals to transpose 6 to the right hand side. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. The third range is 2. Now we have 4 domain. A is equals to 7. A plus B is equals to 8, 7 plus B is equals to 8, B is equals to transpose 7 to the right hand side, 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. This is the fourth range. So the domain is 4, 5, 6, 7 which we have supposed, and the range is 4, 3, 2, 1 which we have found in the question.